Hello everyone, welcome to our second lesson of A1. Today we are going to continue with Turkish alphabet. We are still in part 1. Hello, let's meet and let's learn Turkish alphabet. Turkish alphabet is Türk alfabesi. There are 29 letters in Turkish alphabet, 8 vowels and 21 consonants. So let's begin. A, B, B, C, C, Ç, Ç, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, yumuşak G, yumuşak G, H, H, I, I, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, Ö, Ö, P, P, R, R, S, S, Ş, Ş, T, T, U, U, Ü, Ü, V, V, Y, Y, Z, Z. Okay, now you know how to pronounce 29 letters in Turkish alphabet. So let's check how do we pronounce them inside the words. Ağaç, ağaç. It means tree. Bal, bal. It means honey. Cam, cam. It means glass. Çit, çit. It means fence. Dolap, dolap. It means cupboard. El, el. It means hand. Fiyonk, fiyonk. It means bow tie. Gemi, gemi. It means ship. Boğaz, boğaz. It means throat. It also means strait. It also means Bosphorus in Istanbul. For example, Istanbul Boğazı. But here there is an important note below. So there are no words beginning with yumuşak G in Turkish language. Please be careful about it. Hortum. Hortum. Hortum can be a tornado or a hose. Ispanak. Ispanak. It is spinach. İlaç. İlaç. İlaç means medicine or pills. Jury. Jury. You know what it means. Kadın. Kadın. Kadın means women. Lale. Lale. It means tulip. Muz. Muz. Muz means banana. Neptune. Neptune. It is a planet, you know. Orman. Orman. It means forest. Öğretmen. Öğretmen. It means teacher. Pasta. Pasta. It means cake. Be careful, in Turkish, pasta is cake. In English, pasta is like spaghetti, but in Turkish, pasta means cake. If you mean the English pasta, it is makarna in Turkish. Be careful. Rosette. Rosette. It is like medal. Su. Su. Su means water. Şelale. Şelale. It is waterfall. Tapınak. Tapınak. It is temple. Un. Un. It is floor. Üçgen. Üçgen. Üçgen means triangle. Vazo. Vazo. It is vase. Yunus. Yunus. It is dolphin. Zaman. Zaman. It is time. In this lesson, we learned Turkish alphabet and some vocabulary according to Turkish alphabet. In next lesson, we are going to learn pointing words in Turkish like these, that, here, or there, over there. Please take your notes and continue with next video. Thanks for watching until here. Görüşürüz.